UNBOX Nation, you'll never guess what I got inside this box. Have you ever seen a power bank that has not only wireless fast charge, but also has an FM radio built into it, flashlight, and it has Type-C cable and a lightning cable built into it, so you ain't got to worry about tagging that stuff along? Then I think you're going to stay tuned and check out this power bank from a company called BLAVOR. All right, yo Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for CLHVIEWS back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, Go ahead and subscribe. All right, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, Nation, it's your main man Mark back in another video. Today we're going to take a look at a power bank, but not an ordinary power bank. This power bank is packed full of features. But before we get started, can you do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit the subscribe button? It really helps the channel. All right, we got that out of the way. Today we're going to be taking a look at the BLAVOR solar power bank. All right, it's a 20,000 mile power bank, 15 watt charge. It has fast charging. It has wireless charge, and it has hold on. It has an FM radio built inside of it. Man, too cool. It has flashlight built into it. It also has cables built into it, so you ain't got to lug a whole bunch of cables along with you. You have your Type-C cable, and I want to say it has the lightning cable built into it, so you ain't got to worry about lugging all those different cables along with you. But enough talking, let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box and see what we're working with. All right. Open up the box. All right. Set that top to the side, and we met with some instructions. You might want to hold on to them instructions. Oh man, you get a nice little, oh man, this feels premium. Man, you could use this clean glasses or whatever. This is a nice little pouch you get. That's pretty cool. You get a pouch. Let's see, you get a nice little carrier strap with the little rings on here. Okay, all right, I ain't mad at you. Let's see here's the charge cord. Let's take this out. And this charge cord, Type-C charging. It's a little short cable now. It's a short one, not a long cable. I mean, I want to say it's about 3-4 inches. I'm not sure, but anyway, we'll put that to the side. And what we got? Oh, silica for the trolls. Let's see here. Let's get the power bank out itself. All right. Let's get this box out of our way. And let's see here. This is just some information here. You know, thanking you for your purchase. And man, here it is right here. Man, this is different. You see this? This is different. It's pretty tall. It's pretty different. This is different. Let's go ahead and check this out. All right. Here's the solar panel itself. You know, to charge up, and I'm pretty sure the solar panel part is going to be a trickle charge. All right. And you have your indicator lights right here, let you know how much juice you have left in there. And also, if you see this green light on here, it's letting you know that the solar panel is charging, so it's getting a little charge from all these lights I have in the studio. All right, let's turn it over, and this is what I'm talking about. You already have your cables built in, so you have your cables built in right here. This is a lightning cable. All right, you got a lightning cable. Let's see what this other one is. Type-C charging, so you don't have to worry about lugging them cables around and having a pocket full of stuff or whatever. You just got everything you need right here. All right, let's stuff these back in here. I mean, that's too cool. That is too cool. All right, and then like I said, this is where you do your fast charging right here. Let me see what it says right here. 20,000 miles. So you got your wireless charger, but we're gonna test that a little bit later. Let's see what else we got right here. We did this side, and I'm guessing this is the volume. Yeah, this is the volume, because you can see right here where it says volume. There's your volume knob right here. All right. Let's see right here. Let's see what else we got here. All right, you got your. Let's see here. Let's see what else we got. Let's go on this side. Okay, we have some controls right here on the side. You have your power button right here. All right, you got the arrow showing your power button. There's a sticker. Yes, a sticker right here. And these are the controls. I'm guessing these are controls for the radio and a power button for the radio part. Okay, this is loaded with a lot of stuff. And check this out. You have two, look like it's, no, one long antenna. What is this? Okay, this is where you will put your carrier strap right here. Yeah, because as you can see that little hole. I'm trying to get it as close as possible. You can see it's a little hole right in there. That's where you put your carrier strap. And here is, get it, the antenna for the radio. Wow, I've never seen it like this. Let's see right here, you see it. You got an antenna for the radio. Wow, too cool, too cool. Let's see, it was something else I'm seeing on the bottom right here. Let's see what's on the bottom. This bottom, oh, what is this? Okay, I'm not sure what this is. I'm gonna have to do some research to find out what this is. I don't know if it's a stand or what have you, but I'm gonna do some research to see what that is. But I think this is a stand. So let me see here. I pulled it out. Let's see, bend it. Yep, it's a stand. It is a stand. Just turn this around. That's too cool. It's got a stand on it, so if you want to listen to some music on there, man, who would knew? Who ever thought a power bank that has an FM radio and solar charging at the same time? Man, this is crazy, man. This is crazy. Let's turn it on and see how it sounds. Let's see. Let's figure this out. What this power button is right here. I guess I got to press and hold.
Power on.
Okay, power on. And let's see. I don't want to get no copyright strikes, so bear with me. I'll probably do like 5-second clip of some music. Let's get us a channel. Let's pull out the antenna. All right. Let's see. It's searching for a channel. And I think maybe I need to charge it up. Maybe you hear that?
How do you start that conversation?
Turn it up.
Start
That's max volume.
The fact that I've got two
That's max volume. Let's turn the volume down. Let's turn the volume down again. Let's find a different station. It's searching. Okay, it's pretty loud. Okay, it's pretty loud. And it's picking up stations pretty clear. Okay. All right, let's turn this off before we get a copyright strike. We don't want to get that copyright strike. So let's go ahead and cut that part off. Let's turn the
Power off.
all right, power off. Turn the radio off. All right, man, this is too cool. This is my first power bank that has had a radio in it. That's pretty cool. And it's about the same size as some of the other little power banks that I have around here. I'm gonna have to get one out in a minute and check it out. But let's continue checking this one out. So also you have your flashlight right here on the bottom. Let's see. Let me put this back in there. All right. Oh, I didn't see. You see right here. This is where your charging slot right here. This is your charging slot right here. So you got your USB charging slot and your Type C charging slot right here. Let's go. Let's see how we figure out how to turn this flashlight on. Press and hold. Okay. Came right on. Press it again. See if it has any different modes. All right. There's not a bunch of modes on here. Press and hold it again. Press and hold for it to go off. So there's no different. It's not different modes that I can tell. So that's good. I mean, it's already packed with features. I mean, you can't just be greedy and ask for a whole bunch of other stuff. But let's see here. As far as cut it on. Let me see if I can charge up a phone on here. See, let me get my Note 20 Ultra out here. All right, let's put it on here. See if it's charging. Make sure I put the power button. Make sure I got it on the right spot. You got to find that sweet spot. Let me hit the power button on here. Where's the power button? All right. Let's see, you got to get it right in that sweet spot. Okay, it's charging. It's charging. Now, let me see if it's fast charging. Now, let me lift it up again and put it back again. Okay. It's charging. Well, I knocked it off the spot. It's wireless charging. Wireless charging. Doesn't say fast charge, but it's charging. All right. So let's take it off here. And let's go ahead and see if we can charge it with the, let's see if we get the fast charging with the cord on here. All right. Take this out. All right, let's go ahead and plug it in. Charging. And it doesn't say fast charge, so they're saying that fast charge on the website. So let me press the button. Maybe that might do something. Nope, not doing anything. Oh, I turned it off. I turned it back on. It's not saying fast charge, it's just saying charge. So there might be some discrepancy there. Maybe I need to get a fast charging cord, and we'll try it that way. Hold tight. Okay, I'm back. I found a fast charging cord for it. So let's go ahead and see if it actually does fast charging. As we seen earlier, it doesn't do the fast charging with the cables included. So let's go ahead, and it doesn't do the fast charging with the wireless. So let's go ahead and see if it does it with this fast charging USB-C cable. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this bad boy up in here. All right, got it plugged in. And let's the moment of truth to see if it does fast charging. And also this cord right here has meters on it to let you know if it's how much charge it's getting. All right. Fast charge. There we go. Fast charge. Yep. Fast charging. As you can see right here, it's saying 10 watts is going in there. Oh, now we jump to 13. You jump up to 13. All right, so now it's back to 10. So it does fast charging. I imagine if you would turn it on and start working on it, it'll be fast charge. It'll be 15 watts. But anyway, it does do fast charging. So you just have to have your own cable. So that would have been nice if the cables already included did the fast charge. Let's just try it one more time, just to be on the safe side. Try it one more time to make sure it doesn't do fast charge. Nope, don't see a fast charge on here. Just regular charging. But you know, I guess you have to think about it. If you got the cable, if you got this with you and you got the cables on here, you ain't got to drag no cables along with you, then you know you really don't have to worry about the fast charging because you got it with you. But I mean, you know, if you just got to have the fast charging feature, then go ahead and bring your cable. But this will save you from having to bring extra cables. So let's see here. But other than that, I mean, this is pretty cool. This is a pretty cool little charger. All right. Let's go back up top real quick. Let's see here. All right. But let's do a quick overview. I mean, it's 20,000 mile, solar charger, and like I said, the solar panel on here is going to be pretty much a trickle charge. And I like the LED lights on here to let you know how much battery life you got on there. And like I said, you got your radio on here. Let me see, because I keep cutting it on and off.
Power on.
Got your radio. Got your radio on here. So, and you got your stand right here. So if you want to have to sit it on the stand and rock out to your tunes right here, you can. It's just up to you. And this is the first wireless charger or power bank that I've seen like in this style that has AM/FM radio. I've seen emergency radio, weather radios have them, but not nothing like this compact, this size. Like I said, you got your little stand and you got your flashlight on here. Let's check this out again. Where you got to press and hold. Okay, there we go. Press and hold, and like I say, it doesn't do anything else. It's just a brighten. Nope, just one mode for the lighting, and you just press and hold, turn it off. Too simple, too easy, too easy. So I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below if you want any more detailed information on it. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's something I didn't mention or whatever. Just click on the link down in the description box below. But I think this is a pretty good pickup right here. This is something I think it would be cool for everybody to have, in their
Power off.
in their tech bag or what have you, or on your daily commute. So this would be something good to have. Like I say, 20,000 mile rechargeable battery, so you got plenty of juice to charge your phones or what have you. You got your fast charging on there. You got your radio, solar. Man, this thing just has everything, and weather and waterproof. So I mean, man, what else could you want? All right, but let's see here. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bells to be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell that friend tell a friend to subscribe. It really helps the channel. Whew, man. like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, all right? All right. Let's see here. The message for today. Don't be afraid to be yourself, all right? Don't worry about what everybody else is doing and what they got going on in their life or whatever. Don't worry about trying to fit in and trying to, be something that you're not, so you can try to fit in or make people think you Mr. Big or Miss Big, or make you think that you just know everything. You just the top dog. Don't worry about all that. Just do you and be yourself. All right. That's the message for today. Be yourself. That's the message for today. Don't be afraid to be yourself. This is your main man Mark for CLHVIEWS. Drop the mic and I'm out. Peace.